Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jones. Let me continue the presentation with a demo of our products on mobiles. Look at the screen. You can see we have two Android devices. Actually, I'm using two phones to run our application. Come with the first phone, we can see the onboarding screen. It will introduce all main functions in the application, such as finding our way to the facility, classroom, or any location in the Hoa Khánh Nam facility, sharing the location with our friends, and discovering the facility by using virtual reality technology. In the bottom right corner, we can click the login button to navigate through the login screen. And on this screen, we can register an account by clicking the register button. But I think we will skip the function and spend more time on the main function. Okay, when I fill in my email, passwords, and click the login button, I will log in into application. We can see a list of facilities on the home screen, and you can see more detail and image about a facility here. This is a normal function too. So let me come back to home screen and click on the row icon. The main function that I want to show is wayfinding. When I click on the map button, we can see the map of Hoa Khánh Nam facility. User perform a single step like click in on a marker of any building to see more options such as seeing floor list, finding the way to here, seeing image, or via image. When I click second option, the application allows us to choose star location on the screen. Let's see the result if we choose building A at the star location. And then the application will show the best shortest direction between building A and D. On this screen, we can see all steps by clicking to step button. And the application will show us on step to moving from building A to D based on the shortest direction. Another option is beginning the direction. When I click to start button, we will navigate to real-time direction screen. Initially, we have a function to get user location on the map. But in demo mode, we will get user location from file. As you can see, all steps will be displayed by text at the top of the screen, and voice navigation will be placed when user moves on map. The row will be finished when user comes to destination building. Okay, this is the first main function. Let me come back to the map screen and to the first option. We can see on floor in building D, and I choose one level. The map of the floor will be shown on the screen. With the layout button, we can change level of floor in the building. Again, I choose a marker of classroom and click finding the way to here. Then the application allows us to choose a star location. As I mentioned before, we already run this function between two buildings, right? So what happens if we run this function between two classrooms? For example, I will show classroom 203 in building C, and then the application will show the best direction between classroom. We can see its floor maps of star building and destination building by clicking into layout button, floor 1 and floor 2. Yeah, with wayfinding function, we can find the shortest row between two classrooms, two buildings, or any location to the building. If I run on case, it will take a lot of time, so maybe I will show it later after the QA pass. The next function that I want to show is via 360-degree image. When I click through VR 360 button on the router, I will navigate to this screen. Okay, we will start with the gate of Hoa Khánh Nam facilities. After I click the to hotspot button, we can see new viewings of the facility. Let me choose another button here. Yeah, I'm in the middle of building E and D. With the function, we can see inside the building or anywhere. Give me a second, I will move inside the building apps. Okay, so go inside. We can see inside the building apps now. And the final function that I want to show is sharing location. To do that, I already asked some friends to the accounts, and I have another account on the right phone. Let me log in another account. Let's see friend list. They are already connected as friend, right? Come with the left phone, I choose a friend that I want to share location and click share button. The application will navigate to map screen and wait for a connection from my friend. When my friend receives a request to share location, yeah, you can see it here. It will show the map button on the router and select that option in confirm dialog to share location with me. Come back the left phones, we can see a request to refresh my maps and we can find it here. So when I click on row icons and click to map button, next I select that option in confirm dialog. And we can see our friend location on the screen. So now our demo on mobile e-engines. The next content I am very pleased to introduce Phước, who is in charge of the next part. Welcome Phước.